Working with backups from Genie Backup Manager and have a GFI file, these store backup data created by the Genie Backup application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Genie Backup Manager files. If you frequently deal with unusual GFI file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. A GFI file is a backup catalog created by Genie Backup Manager. Users search for this extension when they need to restore data from a backup set. Their primary intent is to understand how to use this index file with the software to locate and recover specific files or folders from their archived data. The GFI file is a proprietary index or catalog file, likely using a binary database structure. It doesn't contain the backed up data itself, but rather metadata about the backup job, file lists, paths, dates, and pointers to the actual data archives. This design allows for fast browsing and selective restoration without loading the entire backup. The designated application for the GFI file is Genie Backup Manager from Genie 9. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows may show the file name but not the data inside, so viewing it requires the original backup software. Go to the file and right-click your GFI file, then click Open With. Prioritize Genie Backup Manager if you see it. If not, select any program on the list. A little trial and error is expected here. If you cannot access the GFI file, no problem. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your GFI file is not opening. First, restoring with Genie Backup Manager. Install Genie Backup Manager and use the restoration wizard to access GFI files. Point the application to the GFI backup location and browse contained files for selective or complete restoration. Provide encryption passwords if backups were encrypted using Genie Backup Manager's security features during backup creation. Next, locating backup catalogs. GFI files often work alongside backup catalog files that index contents for browsing. Ensure all related catalog and metadata files are present in the same backup location since Genie Backup Manager needs complete backup sets for proper restoration. Missing catalog files may complicate or prevent successful data recovery. Finally, migrating recovered data. After restoring data from GFI files, migrate to modern backup solutions like Veeam Acronis True Image or cloud services like Backblaze. Document the recovered data structure and configure new backups with current software for ongoing protection. Modern solutions provide better encryption cloud integration and recovery features than legacy Genie products. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.